let's start with today's Recheado Masala. Now these are a few ingredients. All ingredients will be listed in the description box below. These are some dried red chilies that I've soaked in about a quarter cup of vinegar, a few cloves of garlic and an inch of ginger. These are a few cloves with half an inch of cinnamon, about 10 peppercorns, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. This is a small, half a tablespoon of tamarind just soaked in some water, one onion which I've sliced finely, some salt to taste. Now I'm just going to lightly fry the onions in about half a tablespoon of oil and set the onions aside. Then I'm just going to take my mixer pot and I'm going to add my ginger, garlic, all of the whole spices, the fried onion, the peppercorns, my cumin seeds. I've squeezed out the tamarind and just retained the pulp, so I'm going to add that too. Then we're going to add the dried red chilies which we had soaked in some vinegar. Then I've just strained the vinegar with taking off all the seeds, and I've added some salt, and I'm going to add my turmeric powder too. Then a little pinch of sugar, and I'm just going to grind this to a really fine paste. Remember, no water has to be added at all. And that's it, friends. Our Recheado masala is all ready. Now I'm just going to show you how I made these Recheado potatoes. I just had some boiled potatoes in the refrigerator, which I just boiled the night before. Now I didn't make them very soft, so they are like a little bit firm. I just took some rice flour and a mixture of fine rava or semolina. I just coated the boiled potatoes on one side with the Recheado lightly. It is a little spicy, so depending on your spice level. And I kept some oil for heating for shallow frying these. And then after applying the Recheado masala on one side, I just dipped it onto the flour and rava mixture. I applied the Recheado on the other side, and then I just turned it and again coated it with the rice and semolina paste. And I just put it into the pan and just shallow fried it. It was nice and golden brown. So it's as simple as that. I've seen some recipes where people even take lady fingers or bindi and slice it up in the middle and then add this Recheado masala again, coat it with some rice flour and semolina and fry it. That also would taste yummy, I guess. I could try it out when I get my hands on some lady fingers or bindi. Now this is a short and sweet recipe, and after that they turn out so amazing and they go really well with some rice and dal.